Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun, only being 1/3 the size of the Earth. Plus, it takes Mercury 88 days to orbit around the Sun. Fun fact, Ganymede and Titan moons of Jupiter and Saturn are bigger than Mercury, but now you know. Venus is the second closest planet to the Sun. It's around the same size as Earth, just being a little smaller. Plus, it takes 225 Earth days for Venus to orbit the Sun. The Venus day takes longer than its year, which means parts of the planet is colder than the rest. It's still a big part though, but now you know. The Earth is the third closest planet to the Sun. The diameter of the Earth is 7,917.5 miles, or around 12,756 kilometers. It's a lot, but anyway. It takes 365 days for the Earth to orbit the Sun. You probably know that, but something you might not know is that the Earth is elliptical. This is because the Earth is spinning, and kinda fast. It causes the Earth to flatten at the poles and stretches out at the equator. This is also true of every other planet. Since you know that, now you can go learn about Mars is the fourth and last terrestrial planet of the solar system. A Martian day is 24 hours and 30 minutes, 40 minutes more than an Earth day. A Martian year is 687 days, or twice as long as Earth's year. Speaking of Earth, Mars is half the size of Earth at 2,106 miles. Also, Mars on the ESI scale, which is the Earth Similarity Index, which just compares planets to the Earth on how similar they are to the Earth. Mars is the highest in the solar system, but now you know that. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. It takes Jupiter 10 hours to rotate. It takes around 12 times that of Earth's year for Jupiter to orbit around the Sun. Jupiter has rings, and so do the other gas giants. They're just super small, so you can't see them. But now you know. Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun. The diameter of Saturn is 72,367 miles. The diameter of Saturn's rings is 175,000 miles. It takes around 10 hours for Saturn to make one full rotation. And it takes around 30 Earth years for Saturn to orbit the Sun. Saturn's rings come from moons that got too close to Saturn and got crushed up by Saturn's gravity. But now you know. Uranus is the eighth planet in the solar system. The diameter of Uranus is 31,000 miles or 50,000 kilometers. A Uranus year is around 84 Earth years. Something about Uranus is that it's on its side. There are multiple theories on how Uranus became like this, but the most likely one is that a planet smaller than Uranus crashed into Uranus, making it roll onto its side, but now you know. Neptune is the last planet in the solar system, which means that we're almost done with this planet series. And yes, this was a series. Anyway, it takes around 16 hours for Neptune to rotate, and it takes around 165 years for Neptune to orbit around the Sun. Wait, did Neptune change? It probably doesn't matter. Anyway, Neptune's great dark spot, it was discovered by the Voyager probe, disappeared, but now you know.